Welcome. So today we'll be looking at feelings in Bemba translated to English. Valwanin sansa, meaning happy or joyful. Chavlanda or chililishi, that's something sad. Ichipyu or ubukali is anger. Nalitemenwe, excited. Umwenso or tina, afraid. Nalipapile, that means I was surprised or I was astonished. Okuilishanya, complain. Okuilishanya can also mean discontent. Another word for discontent is chipkushi. Tasha, that's grateful, praise, or meaning that you use it when you want to express thanksgiving. So people will have the name Natasha, meaning that they're grateful for the child. Kalumwa or mufimbila, that's envious or jealous. Amataki or itakishe, boast. So the examples of envy and jealousy in the sentence will come from the Bible verse in 1 Corinthians 13 verse 4 or Korinthi 1, chapter 13 verse 4 from the Zambian Bible Society. So love does not envy, it does not boast. Ukutemwa dakuikatwa kalumwa dakuchta mataki. Muchtemwiko tamwawa mtimbila tamwawa kuba na mataki. Thank you so much for watching, and spread the love by liking, subscribing, and sharing with your friends and family. Thank you so much.